nyo sa amin, pinagawa yan ni Sir Nico last time, for
Mhm.
example. Tapos question namin sa final defense kung bakit ganon. Okay? So, I've recorded na. So, age, sex, occupation, marital status, all open-ended. And then also socio-economic, remove the variables there. Socio-economic, ba't nakakaloka yung objective nila, Sir
Yes,
Nico?
ang love. Kayo?
Si, kami nag-panel sa inyo? O dun kayo sa kabila? Panel 1.
Yes po, ma'am. Nung title, nung title defense po, ma'am, kayo po. Kayo po nila, ma'am Nancy. Then, nung second defense po is sila, ma'am Krisha, Sir Nico, and ma'am.
Sir Nico, ikaw yun ang panel nito. Can you go back to your objectives? Nakakaloka yung objectives. Hindi ko nakita agad. Sige. Sir Nico, ang kanilang objective, number 1, what is the profile of the respondents? When 1.1 is demographic, and then wala silang 1.2.
Yes, ma'am, wala ako.
1.2, tingnan nyo to, demographic. Tapos yung next nyo, you go to biglang number 2 na. Tapos andun yung socio-economic ninyo. This is supposed to be 1.2, anak, the socio-economic. Hindi number 2 yan. And then, ang number 2 nyo dapat is this, what are the factors that contribute to or affect the health of respondents? Ang title nila ay, sorry, can you go back to your title? Factors affecting non-adherence to medication. Ay, sorry na, medyo bangag ako. Sir, ang title nila, Factors Affecting Non-Adherence to Medication Among Patients with Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease. But then, yung sa objectives nila, number 1 is on profile, demographic, socio-economic, okay naman yun. Yung number 3 nila is supposed to be number 2, factors that contribute sa health nila. Number 3 would be external factors that affect non-adherence. And then number 4 is intervention. Sige, sige. Ayusin lang ng konti yung sa objectives ninyo. You go to your tool na ulit. Nakuha yung papalitan nyo sa objective ninyo? Anak?
Yes po,
Okay.
ma'am.
Sige.
Bale, as it is po, ma'am, pero yung numbering lang po is from number 2 magiging 1.2 tapos yung number 2 po yung number 3. Tama po ba?
1.3 din actually yun eh. 1.3
Yung
din
number
yung
3, ma'am.
number 3. Health profile naman yun.
Sige po, ma'am.
I'm not sure. Titingnan muna natin. Question mark muna itong number 3 kasi titingnan ko sa tool ninyo kung ano ba tong number 3, original number 3 na ginawa ninyo. So, 1.1 tsaka 1.2 muna. Sige. Can you go up first? Ayan. Sa socio-economic variables nila, sir. Ito anak, dapat nakalagay is average monthly income. na heading niya. And then please check, ano ba please check that apply? Tanggalin na lang yun. Parang average monthly income and then yan ang nakalagay. This bracket, yung pagkaka-bracket ninyo nito is based on
Meron po kaming ano mo, pinag-searchan na parang daily or monthly income po supposedly ng bawat household. I-check po namin yung reference, ma'am.
okay, you check the reference, kindly remove dyan sa bracket na yan, yung parang lahat ng monthly income na nakalagay. So it should be below 10,957 and then 10,957 to 21,914 and then 21 to 43, 43 to 76. Siguro mag-stop ka na until yung 7666 nyo dun sa 43,828, may nawawalang number. Hindi, sa taas niyan, anak, 43,828 to 76,000. Yan, 669. Dito sa, is 7,669 and above monthly income. 76,669. Hindi, above 76,669 ang ilalagay niyo. Tapos tingnan nyo anak, this is overlap, yung hindi nyo ginagawa to sa tool, no? Pagdating nyo sa below 10,957 is okay. 10,957 to 21,914 is okay. Pagdating nyo sa kabila, 21,914 to 43,828. Overlapping yung 21,914 ninyo. What I mean is, pag ang monthly income ni Sir Nico ay 21,914, anong i-check niya dito? Yung pangalawa o yung pangatlo? Nagets nyo? Therefore, yung pangatlo should start with 21,915. And then yan, yung sunod nyo, yung 43,828 overlapping din yan. So, yung pang-apat nyo dapat 29. That's why I made itong last ninyo na above 76,000, tama yun, 669. Kasi yung 76,669 ay covered sa pang-apat. So, remove yung last two. Masyado nang mataas yung monthly salary nila. Okay, next is employment status. Okay, okay lang sa akin. Sir Nico, okay lang sa itong employment status?
Naman tayo doon. Okay na si yun. Yan na siya.
Yes, ma'am. Ano ba itong mga patients na
Second,
how many year, ilang taon itong mga nito? Ages.
kung meron tayong updated faculty again,
Anong age range ba ng mga participant?
Sir, ang nakalagay po sa inclusion and exclusion po namin is age 5 and above. Pero
tapos nag-draft ako ng revision.
5
na lang
and
namin.
above.
Edit na lang po
Ito
ata
na
namin.
yung grade.
Siguro sa title natin, talagay na lang natin siguro
But,
mga
evaluation tool mo, yun yung ilalagay.
patients. O siguro sa inclusion, tama, doon na lang ilagay. Wag na yung, pati bata, kasi kailangan, baka, kapag bata kasi, most probably, yung nanay nila ang makakasagot na naman ng mga tatanungin natin yung non-adherence nila.
Agree
Naglagay
doon, Sir Nico.
Naglagay lang po kami noon, sir, ng age range. Kasi po naghahanap pa lang po kami noon ng patients po. Since yun po yung sabi po ni Ma'am Krisha noon sa amin. Kaya hindi pa po namin napapalitan po yung age range.
Tapos,
Siguro na lang, ang
basis daw naman
45 years old and above.
60. Tapos, ito na siya, final. Review and adjust.
Okay na ako dito sa ano nila ma'am, employment. I think yung employment status ilalagay nyo lang naman kung employed, unemployed, or underemployed. Yun na lang siya.
Pinakita para pwede mo gawin yung may
Wala na yung part-time, full-time. So, employed,
ko na lang.
underemployed, unemployed.
Okay, na-note yun, mga anak. Okay, and then the third one, yung health insurance, I think mag-under yan sa health profile or kasama ba to sa
Yes, ma'am.
socio-economic, sir?
Profile.
Sa health profile, itong health insurance yung anak, meaning you have a 1.3 na subheading dito, health profile. Pero itong health insurance won't be the first one under health profile. Pa-read muna ako nitong health insurance.
Ano po ulit, ma'am?
Pula muna, let me see what's under your number 3, original number 3. Pakipula muna ako nitong health insurance. Okay. Where is the part where you have your healthcare system factors?
Wala na po, ma'am. Yun lang po.
You have under your objectives, your healthcare system factors.
Ay, ito po, ma'am. Yung healthcare system po.
Yan yung healthcare system factor. This is 3.3.1. Availability and accessibility of, let me see, like that. What's that? Draw? What? Sir Nico, kailangan ba itong factors that contribute to or affect the health of the respondents?
I think hindi naman kasi ang tinitignan nyo naman is the
Scale siya?
non-adherence. Oo.
Sino to?
Patingin nga yung ano ninyo, yung ano yun, yung sa taas, taas mga ulit. Health insurance. Sige, baba mo na.
Na? Magaling yun. Kasi wala na.
So ito yung unang factors nyo, availability and accessibility of healthcare system.
Hindi pa ata, sir. Si number 3 pa lang nila ito. Pakipula na lang itong part na to. Kasi hinahanap ni Sir Nico is yung for the non-adherence na Sir Nico, no? Sa nagulat din kasi ako nung
Okay.
meron yung
So ano itong part na ito, Ma'am Jinky, yung
hindi ko alam kung bakit
Maganda
hidden
ba
sa
ano na
objective
ito,
nila,
yung
sir, eh. Number 3, what are the factors that contribute to or affect the health of the respondents?
Kasi kaibigan ko, meron lang
Number 4, actually, sir, yung sa non-adherence nila.
number 4.
Ito is number 3 pa lang, no? Mga anak? Yeah, number 3 pa lang ito, sir.
Yes po, ma'am.
Connect na lang nila to.
Ito mauulit po sa number 4 nila.
Kaya, ano yung, parang hindi nyo naman hinahanap yung number 3 kasi sa title nyo eh, di ba?
Actually. Kaya pakipula muna kami nitong letter C nyo, yung mga items nyo for number 3.
Oo.
Ano na lang siguro to ang
Ganito mga kapatid, tingnan niyo yung title ninyo, di ba?
shell game.
Wala naman, hindi naman sinasagot ng number 3 nyo yung title.
Master
Your problem is, hinahanap nyo lang yung factors that contribute sa non-adherence ng medication nila towards COPD. Pero bakit mo kailangang malaman na naman yung factors that contribute their health in general? Ano ba ang gusto nyo aralin? Imbes na madali lang sana yung study ninyo, dinadagdagan nyo ng hindi ko alam ano tong number 3.
the zinc is not ideal.
Baka gusto nyo lang malaman yung health profile niya kasi.
Pero yung
In fact, parang ito na nga yung
sir.
number 4 nyo eh. Oo nga, ma'am. Feel ko number 4 nyo na ito.
Can we see yung
Initial
para sa
letter
number
down.
4 nyo originally?
Yung number 4 po, ma'am. Ito po, ma'am. Ang gano'n, ang gano'n. Okay yun. Yung factors.
This Morse scale is a standard for medication adherence.
Yes po, ma'am. Nag-adapt lang po kami ng questionnaire, ma'am. Ay, ng ganito po.
Sige, go down. Sige, go down, anak.
Last na po tong table, ma'am.
Yan na yung for number 4 ninyo. O magagalit si Sir ano niyan, Nico, kasi you said it's factors affecting. Here you won't see yung mga factors affecting is yung sinasabi niya nga na availability of medications. Walang nakalagay na factor dito na affordability, walang nakalagay na availability, walang access to healthcare, walang support systems. Those should be the factors that we can see na nag-a-affect ng non-adherence nila. For example, the medication is very expensive, so I decide not to take medicine. Affordability yon. Affordability, there is a provision sa barangay health center ng medication nila, and so I take it. That is accessibility, for example. I don't know, you need to have items under itong nakalagay ng for example ninyo na external factors. At least 3 items, sir, no? Or 4 items under that.
Under saan po, ma'am? Sa form.
Hindi ko
What I mean, anak, is you will remove the whole of your, dito sa inyong tool, itong number 3 and number 4. And then
Bale,
change it.
Ay, sorry po. Bali, itong health insurance, ma'am, at saka itong availability and accessibility ang tatanggalin po namin.
Hindi, lahat na. From number 3 hanggang down. Until the end of your tool. Tatanggalin yan.
Hanggang yung Mars po, ma'am.
Yes, tatanggalin yan kasi you won't see the factors dito sa Mars na scale ninyo. That won't be your title. That's not your title. Your title is what the factors affecting non-adherence. And this Mars scale do not answer that. Masasagot ba? If you use this scale, masasagot ba? Anong factors? You answer me. What are the factors affecting?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Oh, you know the answer, hindi masasagot. That means kapag nag-final defense kayo that you've used this tool, hindi nyo masasagot hindi nasagot ng tool ninyo. That's why I put an extra effort na ma-validate yung mga tool ninyo before you gather data. Kasi baka gumamit kayo ng tool, i-finload nyo na, naghanap pa kayo ng mga tamang respondents nyo, mali naman, hindi na niya masasagot yung inyong mismong title. Sige, sir, go ka na. Anong factors ang gusto mong ibigay sa kanila?
During demonstration.
Actually, wala akong nakikita about since COPD, we are talking of determinants of health in general eh. So wala akong nakikitang human behavior, socio-economic, environmental. Okay naman na yung ating actually yung tatlong naka-specify dito, papasok siya under healthcare delivery system. Pwede mo nang i-merge yung tatlong
I-ano mo na lang
ito
ako.
as one. Pero you include about human behavior kasi patient ang pinag-uusapan natin, no? Socio-economic nila, environmental din wala, and most especially human behavior. So yun ang kailangan ko makita din as factors under dito sa mga non-adherence nila into medications. Sino yung nasa Tugigaraw? I think si Basco. O, ba't hindi ka nagpapacheck ng mga ganito mo?
Sir, meron po kay Gian. Nagbigay po kami ng,
Ano no?
sir, nagbigay yata po kami ng copy sa'yo. O kay Ma'am Shah.
Oh, pero bigyan nyo ako so para mag-input din ako.
Yes
Ngayong
po.
college days o mag-print ka lang ng isa, you give me tomorrow para makritik yung initial natin yung ninyo, questionnaire ninyo. Pero I think
Yes
Ma'am Jinky,
po.
yung SOP nila, tanggalin na yung number 3, yun na yung kanilang number 4. Then I think okay naman na yung nila, SOP nila. Yun nga lang, parang hindi lang nagja-jive yung number 3 and 4 nila. Ano yung external factors na nakalagay doon sa ninyo? May nakita ko yung external factors.
Sir, parang po yung availability ng medications, tapos yung access po ng respondents sa healthcare system, and yung
I think
support system po nila.
papasok lahat yan sa healthcare access and system. Lahat yun. Oo. Kasi kahit may
Nico,
medications, ano ba yun? Yes, Ma'am Jinky.
may I, kapag, can we separate yung internal kasi may external factors kayo? Can we do it number
Oo.
3, change it to what are the internal factors that affect their non-adherence sa medication? And then, according to letter A ninyo, psychological factors, we have several papers under this, yung mga behavioral, and then physical health factors, cognitive factors. Doon papasok yung sinasabi ni Sir Nico kanina na socio-economic factors. And then, yung number 4 nyo would be still yung inyong external factors. Doon na papasok yung lahat na naka-example doon sa paper nyo kanina. Saan ba yun? Yung inyong availability of medications, access to healthcare, mga support systems, dun siya papasok sa external factors. So, environmental, sinasabi ni Sir Nico kanina na
Yes.
part.
I think
Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
mga
Maganda yun, ma'am. I-separate na lang talaga natin ang internal and external.
external factors. before nyo balikan si Sir Nico, pag nahanap niyo yung variables for the number 2 and 3 na pala to, number 1 is profile, your demographic and socioeconomic. Number 2 is internal factors. Number 3 is external factors. And then number 4 are your recommendations. So at the moment, hindi kami masaya ni Sir Nico dun sa number 2 and 3 ninyo. You also put yung items na variables under 2 and 3. For example, number 3, sasama din sa external factors ang family. So, hanapin nyo through RRL kung ano yung variables affecting non-adherence of medication as a whole, not COPD muna. And then later on, you see kung ano yung related sa COPD. And then saka nyo ilagay dyan sa objectives nyo and then tatambal ninyo sa tool ninyo. And then sabi nga ni Sir Nico, you go back to him. Remember, may college days. Meron lang yan hanggang bukas at saka the next day. Kasi naka-leave yan. Isang buwan siya magli-leave. So, isang buwan kayong walang gagawin pag hindi nyo napavalidate sa kanya. So, yung mga nasa Tugiga raw, puntahan si Sir Nico right after. So, pag-usapan nyo after this meeting, sa group ninyo, kung gusto niyo ng breakout session, I can put you para mag-usap-usap kayo. Or you can create your own Zoom. So, let me know kung wala. Sir Nico, we move on to your next group since may pending sa'yo itong group 17.
Okay, ma'am.
Next group natin is group 21 for Sir Nico. The rest,
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you.
anak, Vivian, gusto nyo bang mag-breakout room or kayo na lang, bahala, mag-usap?
Possible po ba, ma'am, mag-breakout
Yes,
room
yes, I
po
can
ngayon?
make a breakout room for you.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Vivian. Si Takad is kasama nyo, no? Pangilan, Takad. Sino pa? Group 17, Gian. Tsaka Group 17, Basco. Okay na? Can you see the notification to join the room 1 for Group 17?
Meron na po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay. You can leave the room kapag tapos na kayo. Leave the session. Okay. Can we have Group 21 po? Group 21, kindly rename yung inyong mga kindly rename so that I know na Group 21 kayo kasi I can only see Group 24. Agabaw set, I cannot see. Singayan, meron kanina dito. Wala na ngayon. Singayan Christian Dave. Wala na. De Leon.
Present po,
Ayan,
ma'am.
ito pala. Okay.
Ma'am,
De
nasa
Leon,
isang
ayan.
device lang po kami.
Ma'am, present po.
Si Vianney, si Maralag, si Lagwa.
Ma'am, nasa isang device lang po kami ni Asingayan.
Yes, yes, I can see Vianney.
Yes.
Si Lagwa. Meron.
Naka-duty po ata si, ma'am, si Mark Lagwa po. Pati si Seth Agabaw po. Bali
Si
kaming
Seth,
tatlo lang po
I
yung
saw,
available.
nag-message siya sa GC natin. So, ang hindi nag-send ay si Lagwa. Okay. Okay. Si Lagwa, sir, Nico ang absent sa ayong. Sige, may I know kung sinong mga interns?
Ma'am, lahat po kami.
Sir, intern silang lahat. Okay. Sige. Let's see kung paano sila mag-data gathering. Their title, sir, is Knowledge and Attitude on Occupational Safety and Health Hazards and Assessment of Pulmonary Function of Welders in Tuguegarao City. How can you read this if Tuguegarao City and then you will do PFT? Anyway, problema na ni Sir Nico yun. Sir, meron bang pagkakataon that they will go back here na mag-i-intern sila dito sa Tuguegarao?
Actually, ma'am, there's a possibility na one or two members can be deployed sa Tuguegarao for this coming rotation.
When is the coming rotation, sir? Kasi ang ang ano ko
December,
sa kanila,
ma'am.
okay. Sige, ang ano ko kasi
Yes,
sa
ma'am.
kanila, dapat by December nakapag-data gathering na sila. So that
Mm-mm.
before we
Tama,
close
ma'am.
the semester is they are already on analysis, ready for the next sem. Okay, sige, since may pagkakataon naman, you can share now your objectives and then your tool. Can you put side by side your objectives and then your your tool? Because yan. So you copy that. We want to see yung objectives nyo and then yung tool sa kabilang screen. You duplicate na lang anak, then you open both at the same time. If andito yung group 24, kindly prepare that. Ganun kasi ginagawa ng other groups. I think I posted it on our GC last time. Kung paano nyo i-present yung inyong objectives and your tool. So that we can see it side by side. Because we base your tool from your objectives.
Okay po, ma'am. Nasabihan ko na po yung mag-share sa amin.
Thank you. Group 21, kaya ba? If not, I can screenshot and then put on RGC na lang again. Tingnan na lang ni Sir Nico doon. Okay, can
Ma'am,
you
okay
go
na po.
down?
Saglit lang. Resume share. Nakita na po ba? Visible po ba?
Nakikita lang yung inyong SOP. Can you go down? Ini-screenshot ko na lang.
Ito.
Go down pa, some more. Sige pa. Wait. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Up, up. Ah, yes, yan. Sige, next. Go down. Hanggang sa 1.4 yung taas. Sige. Okay. Meron pa ba?
Meron pa po.
Meron pang number 6. Okay, sige. Present your tool. Okay, so first part is your demographic profile. Sa name, anak, you put optional. We don't require them to write their names. And then for the age, okay lang yan. Where is the sex? Nasaan yung sex?
Hindi po ata namin
Nawawala
na-include.
yung, yes, kindly include nawawala yung sex. You have it on your objectives, wala sa inyong tool. Residency, what do you mean by residency?
Yung
Kung saan
ano
sila
po, ma'am?
nakatira?
Saan sila nakatira, ma'am?
Oh, just make sure na naintindihan nila ito. Okay lang ba yun, Sir Nico?
So, place of residence. Kunay.
Yeah. Alam, residency, baka nagme-med itong mga to.
Kaya nga, baka mamaya residency period. Kunay niya. Highest educational attainment.
Noted po.
Highest educational attainment.
Yung employment status nyo, you refer to the last group kanina. Ah?
Okay po.
Sige, go down, anak. Lagyan nyo din ng pang-tick mark yung others sa health insurance.
Excuse me.
Sa physical and
Ano po
health
yun?
profile, Sir Nico, pagdating sa, anong title nila? Pulmonary function, do we need health, height and weight?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, kailangan talaga siya.
Okay. So you put height in feet or in ano ba? Depende sa inyo kung anong standard, sir, na ginagamit sa height and weight ng PF sa
Ay, wait.
pulmonary function.
Ano, 'di ba pag gagawin nyo na yung ano, doon nyo lang kailangan naman yung height and weight, 'di ba?
Yes po. Pag
Oh, I
mag-BDF.
think hindi na itong sa clinical and health profile. Sa
Siguro
under ng
sa-
clinical and health profile.
Sa clinical and health profile, sir, ang importante is kung may sakit sila ngayon,
Oo, yung ano, yung duration ng sakit nila, ano yung mga yan, yung present medications nila, and then
actually
I
meron
think
sa
yun lang
baba. Can
naman
I
sa ano,
Yan, ito, the existing health condition.
pwede rin yan, comorbidities.
So, tanggalin nyo both.
Alisin na po
Tanggalin niyo
yung
both.
height and weight.
Yes, both
Okay.
sa
Yes,
SOP
yes.
nyo and sa tool ninyo.
Okay po.
Wait lang, saan yung smoking status? Meron bang number 5 na hindi ako nakuha kanina? Sa SOP ninyo?
Okay.
If-
Status
if
under...
wala, Sige, dinalik na. Kasi ang
Ay,
meron
sorry,
lang
ma'am.
po until point 4, which is existing health conditions. Can I see kung may part 5? Ayun, part 5 meron pala. Sige, go down. Kung hindi ko nakuha dito sa GC, makikita niyo hindi ko nakita yung smoking. Sige. Go down. Go ahead. Tingnan ko yung smoking.
Smoking.
Ito po.
Ayan. Okay lang yan. Sige, go down. Okay, okay. And then, next is occupational health profile, welding zone. How many hours? Okay, then, sige, welding experience. Sige, next. Level of knowledge sa OSHA hazards. Is this adopted?
No, ma'am, nag-base po kami sa OSH standards ng DOLE po and yung mga common occupational safety and health hazards sa Philippines like physical, chemical, biohazards, and the like.
Okay, so you know what numbers here ang under physical, chemical, biological, ergonomic, etc. Kasi I don't see yung parang may subheading siya na physical, ganun.
Well, ano siya, ma'am? Mix siya, ma'am. Hindi namin nalagay kung ano yung under sa physical, ano po.
We will be requiring ni Sir Nico kasi pagdating ng inyong results and discussion, it is under your number 2 objective na dapat meron kayong items under everything. So,
Okay,
i-put
okay
nyo
po.
together yung sa physical, and then kung meron kayong 3-4 items under that, and then chemical, etc. It will help you also when you're writing your results and discussion. You
Okay,
will
noted.
tell us kung ano yung sa physical, sa chemical, hindi kayo wasak. And
Okay.
also, with that, sa tool ninyo, alam nyo kung anong missing. Kulang kami ng item 4, biological, walang part doon. Things like that.
Noted. Yes.
Sige, let's see one by one first. Can you do that first and then ipa-check nyo kay Sir Nico, itong sa part ng number 2? Kasi it will be a waste of time if we will be checking one by one at the moment and then kulang pala siya, lahat sila on physical or ergonomic.
Okay po.
Okay, paki-read yung buong part ng number 2 nyo, ha? Sige, sa number 3. Anong title nila? Knowledge and attitude. Sige, attitude. Sige. Go up. Wait lang, sa number 1. Anong gusto nyong tanungin dito?
For number 1.
Yeah. You are looking for attitude. It's not any more knowledge. Our common practice here is I believe, I think, ano ba, Sir Nico?
Sa attitude, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Kasi ito is parang looking at what they think about the practices.
Practices, oo.
So, hindi siya for attitude actually. I should
Mm.
have, I strongly believe, for example, I should have a fire extinguisher readily available during welding operations. That's
Oo,
attitude.
I am worried, mga ganon.
Yes, I am
I
worried.
feel,
Ganon.
mga ganon.
Attitude. Ano bang attitude nyo? Mga pinapakita nyong attitude. For example, negative yung attitude niya. I do not need. I feel that I do not need any PPE pag nag-welding ako. Your items, anak, are not ma-attitude. Okay? So, alam nyo kung ano yung mga ma-attitude. So, pakipalit ulit itong letter C ninyo for number 3 bago nyo ipa-check ulit kay Sir Nico.
Okay, noted po.
Number 4.
Ito na po yung last. Ay, number 4. Ito na po ata yung last month.
At wala kayong, number 4 kasi is you will do. You will check, no? Tama ba? You have to have your number 4 pa rin dito na gagawin ninyo kung ano yung kanilang result ng FBC, FEV1, gano'n. Just a part dun. Para isa lang, hindi wasak yung mga survey tool ninyo. So, pagkatapos nyo ng survey na yan, dyan nyo i-record yung data niya.
Okay.
Okay. Again, if you've heard kanina yung ating sinabi sa group 17, si Sir Nico ay magli-leave ng isang buwan. So, meron lang siya bukas at saka sa Wednesday. So, lalo na mga interns kayo, you create a GC with Sir Nico at kulitin nyo siya doon. Sir
Yes,
Nico?
actually, hindi ko pa na-check ito. Pag send kayo nito together with your SOP.
Okay po, sir. Noted po.
Or you ask from taga St. Paul or any from Gigaraw to
Okay po, sir.
Okay na, Sir Nico. Bali, papalitan nila yung both for the knowledge and the attitude. Ng mga,
same. Sige.
okay, so if you need also a breakout session, group 21, we can open a breakout room. If you can do it on your own, okay naman. So just let me know. We move on to group 24 since sobrang OT na si Sir Nico sa sa school. Thank you, group 21. Alexandra,
po,
you need a
ma'am.
breakout room?
Yes
O
po.
hindi na? Kayo na.
Try po namin kami, ma'am.
Okay, sige. You may leave the room
Thank you po.
already. So
Thank
that
you,
we
sir.
will cater group 24. Group 24, kindly share your... Yan. Okay, group 24, sinong nasa Tugigaraw?
Wala po, ma'am. Interns wala.
Lahat kayo ay intern? Sir Nico, lahat sila ay intern ulit. Kindly make a group with your advisor, Sir Nico. So
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
yeah, meron siyang updates. Sir Nico, ito palang mga to, meron na silang copy actually ng notice to proceed. So you need to certify if they are go for data gathering na. That is
Oh,
if
okay,
you,
sige, sige.
yeah, if you allow na yung kanilang tool. Kung okay na. Sige.
Sige, ma'am.
Number 1, profile, age, sex, year graduated, board exam rating, highest educational attainment. Sige, go down sa inyong tool. No, not the SOP, the tool. Anong certification course? Meron kayong ganun? Sige, okay lang naman. Kung may certification course. Ano tong bakante na bracket dito? Doctoral? Doctorate degree?
Napasobra lang po yung box ko.
Okay, sige. Monthly salary, sure kayo walang below 10,000, ganun? Sir Nico, wala namang below 10,000 na monthly salary ng RT?
Wala naman, ma'am. Wala.
Wait lang. Working as RT ba tong gusto ninyo or lahat ng graduates lang na RT ng CSU?
Working as RD lang daw po, ma'am, since yung sa may title po namin is work performance and their career development.
Bakit Cagayan States University na tayo? Baka United States of America na tayo mamaya sa inyong title. Sige, sa monthly salary, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Nagkakapatong overlapping na naman siya, no? 10,000 to 15,000. The next bracket should be 15,001 to 20,000. And then the next one is 20,001 to 25,000. Sige, professional profile should start with employment status, not length of service. Missing ang inyong employment status. Nakikita nyo ba? Missing yung employment status. Sir Nico keep saying kanina na sa employment status, anong ilalagay, sir?
Employed, unemployed, underemployed.
Since ito ay lahat naman dapat working sila, so they should all be employed. So itong employment status
Yes, ma'am.
nyo, tatanggalin na to kasi meron palang, sige, can you go down sa inyong position or designation?
Working na palang mga ito, ma'am. Oo pala. So, patingin nga yung ano ninyo. Siguro yan na lang, yung kung casual or ano sila, contractual or permanent. Siguro yan na lang. Permanent,
Yeah,
casual,
pero
or
I think, sir, this one is still
contractual.
employment status, not position or designation.
Yes, ma'am. Oo. Yun na lang. Hindi na siya position or designation.
Can you put that up before the length of service? Yung employment status? Make sure to remove yung letter C sa statement of the problem ninyo. Letter C. Ang tatanggalin. Tapos itataas nyo itong employment status. Ang tanong ko, paano kung, syempre nag-i-start lahat, for example, sa casual or temporary. 1 year akong temporary and then the second year is regular na ako or permanent. How will they answer that dito sa tool ninyo? Di ba, Sir Nico, usually ganun, 6 months akong contract of service,
Actually,
contractual. And
yes,
then,
ma'am. Oo.
so how will they answer it? Kasi may length
Oo.
of service eh.
Sa case naman sa clinical, oo, meron yung mga probation, nasa probation status muna ako, tapos saka lang nila ako gagawing contractual or casual. O
Yeah,
ngayon,
probi
during
muna.
the data gathering, probationary status pa lang siya. Anong isasagot niya doon? It's either mag-include kayo sa exclusion or inclusion criteria nyo na hindi kasama yung mga yung mga probationary, yung under mga probi na tinatawag niya.
Okay ba, Miss Aguila and ano to? Cannot see.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ma'am, may I suggest yung group na ito is magpa-check muna sila sa sa akin or para maano ko din sila kasi parang
Parang wasak sila?
oo, parang hindi pa siya
Sige, mga anak, mag one-on-one muna kayo nila Sir Nico before we check it kasi medyo, yun nga, inaano ni Sir. Actually, even the title, medyo, tingnan mo na lang, Sir.
oh ma'am. Tingnan niyo yung title niyo of respiratory therapist of Cagayan. Iniisip ko may respiratory therapist ba ang Cagayan State? Siguro ito ay of respiratory therapy graduates siguro ito
Ang
of
sinasabi
Cagayan
ni
State
Sir, wala namang
University.
respiratory therapist na nag-work sa CSU. Unless sila Sir Nico, yan sila
Oo.
Ma'am Krisha ang gusto ninyo.
Oo.
Siguro respiratory therapist in Cagayan, mga ganun, or respiratory
Oo, ganun na
therapist
lang.
graduates na working. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Gusto niyo ba talaga ng CSU lang?
Mga anak,
Work
sagot.
performance and career development of respiratory therapist in ano na lang to, Gigaraw City na lang. Respiratory therapist and their relationship to organizational commitments. Work performance and career development of respiratory therapists and their relationship to organizational commitments. Saan ang gusto niyong lokal? Tanungin ko kayo, saan niyo gusto?
So, yung naipalit pa sa amin na local is full region
Ano-ano?
2 daw po. Pero kung yung nasabi po kasi namin yung local, yung suggest po ng proposal is full
Ano?
region 2 daw po.
CZ, ano yun?
Sir, ang
Pero audible
suggested
po ba?
po local sa amin during proposal po is
Oo,
po sa buong
saan?
region 2 daw po.
Oh, Region 2.
Kasi daw po if magfo-focus lang daw po kami sa Cagayan and Isabela, which
Kokonti.
is a region, ayun po, kakonti po.
Okay, ba yung history niya, sir?
O sige, Region 2. So, balik niyo yung title niyo, work performance
Sir, wait lang po, na-disconnect po.
work performance and career development of respiratory therapists in Region 2 and their relationship to organizational commitments. I think yun na lang mas maganda. Bye, ma'am. Nakuha niyo ba? Work performance and career development of respiratory therapists in Region 2 and their relationship to organizational commitments.
Sir, ask ko lang po sir about dito sa bagong title
Oh.
po. Sir, yung kapag region 2 po nasabi is lahat po ng RT po, hindi na po pang CSU lang po na.
Yes, regardless kung saan sila graduate.
Sige po sir, thanks sir.
excuse me, kunin lang po namin yung wakan. Kasi yun naman ang napag-usapan nung proposal nyo Region 2. So we stick on that, Region 2. I'm giving the group tomorrow afternoon to give me the paper, your manuscript para makritik ko siya. Ma-check ko rin siya.
Okay. Group, narinig ba yon kay Sir Nico?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so Sir Nico, okay na
Yes
sila?
po, ma'am.
You will browse
Yes,
first yung
ma'am.
kanilang
Oo.
paper before their tool. Make sure you
Yes,
have a
ma'am. Opo.
GC mga anak with Sir Nico, ha? And then, wag niyong antayin na hanapin niya pa kasi very busy mama si Sir Nico. Kayo maghanap sa kanya and ipasa
True.
yung
Actually,
manuscript
parang
niya. You
last
ask.
month pa ako nililigawan ni Ma'am Jinky for this consultation pero no, ngayon lang.
Yes. Oo, ang mga anak, first time kong ginawa tong merong consultation and validation with the advisor para hindi pwedeng sabihin nyo sa akin na hindi po kasi namin makontak ang advisor namin kaya nag-push through kami sa data gathering. Okay? Sige, with that, Sir Nico, we'll close po ito sa masyado nang late sa'yo sa school. Sanay ka
Okay
naman.
lang, ma'am. Okay lang. Oo. Actually,
Yes
pupunta pa
po.
ako ng gym kasi i-check ko yung ating stage para bukas.
Para tomorrow. Baka dyan
Ilan pala kayo, Ma'am
ba?
Jinky, nandyan? 4 kayo, no? Sa Gonzaga ka din ba, mother? Ay,
Nag-ano ako, sir, nag-request ako na hindi kasi umuwi yung mga
Ah,
family ko dahil sa
so,
event ni baby kahapon na hindi mo
mm.
pinuntahan.
Actually, may event din kasi kami sa Alcala kaya umuwi. Kararating ko lang kaya nagulat ako, wala pala si Dean.
Yes. Sige
Kaya
po.
sabi niya, huwag ka na muna mag-leave kasi pupunta ako ng Gonzaga. Walang tatao, sabi.
True. Through the fire.
True.
Sige,
Sige.
dahil marami
Hoy,
pang
Suzy,
gagawin si Sir Nico.
mas marami silang gagawin, ma'am, kasi mukhang hindi nila nagigets yung organizational commitment. Gusto, ang hirap nun, Ang hirap ng organizational commitment. Ewan ko kung saan nyo.
Okay na daw, sabi ni Sir Nico. Okay, with that, huwag na natin guluhin masyado, Sir Nico. Marami pong ginagawa. Sige, salamat mga anak. Maraming, itong group, after this session, you talk with your groupmates, no? I don't know if pare-pareho kayo ng pinag-internan. Make GC na, and then makikita naman once in a while ni Sir Nico, yung mga pinag-uusapan yung magkakagrupo. Okay? Sige. Thank you again, Sir Nico, and good night, everyone. Bye
Thank you, ma'am.
po.
Thank you
Salamat.
po.